Okay, so we're gonna first start off with some pork belly from the local store. We went to Costco. It doesn't have the skin. It'd be nice if it had the skin, but it's okay. And what we start off with is a pot of water, put some lemongrass in there, lemongrass roots, and we're gonna boil the meat first. Alright, so we're gonna start with the ginger process. The ginger, you're just gonna want to cut it.
Like this?
Yeah. Hello.
Do you look thick or not?
That's fine. You can do a little thick. And so, this is boiled eggs soaked in like a dark sweet soy sauce overnight. And it's gonna make the eggs tough on the outside, but kind of chewy on the inside. Alright, so once the pork are blanched and kind of cooked down, we're gonna
This is your tongs, huh?
Yeah, I should use tongs. It's okay. Make it happen. Alright, so we're gonna cut it into like, I guess, bite size. You're gonna want to make them kind of big because when they cook down, they're gonna like shrink-ish. Alright, dinner served. Like your pork meat or whatever. Alright, so the ingredients we're gonna use are sliced ginger. Then depends how thick you like your ginger when you eat it. About 4-5 cloves of garlic, more lemongrass, pork. And we're gonna use star anise. We're gonna use a Chinese spice from your local Asian Oriental market, salt, oyster sauce, and then the last one is your dark sweet soy sauce. You're gonna want to turn on your burner or your stove, start with the pot. Wait till the pot's hot, then you want to add oil in. Right now, your pan is hot. Add some oil. Then you want to bring over your garlic, green onion. Now in goes the pork. Alright, so you want to add the salt. I just added salt in there. Throw in your spice. Oyster sauce. Okay, so after about an hour, this is how it looks like. Ooh. After about an hour, this is how it looks like. Alright. Here are the eggs. Got my pepper. Got some wings or some drums. I like all about that dark meat. Okay. Oh, time to eat. Today is we celebrated Valentine's Day. So
Cute.
one of her favorites. Alright, so veggies, sweet pork, and then fried chicken, and then pepper. Watch here. Oh man. Golden brown separation. Okay, I'm gonna have to do some cuts on this. Yeah, let's try that first. Yeah. Yeah. Alright. Hopefully y'all have a good Valentine's Day, and I'll catch you guys next time.